嗰度祈禱講道啊。
Peter said, but I need to pray, I need to preach the gospel.
彼得啊，
Then said Peter,
呢度還嘅神啲無人嚟禮拜你啦，
if they keep fighting, there won't be anybody in the church by Sunday.
所以彼得就祈咯。
Then Peter would have to
我
go.
還嘅啦。
Peter would have to say again, don't
隻
fight.
什麼冇有見啦。
It doesn't matter what you eat.
哦，是嘅，彼得。
Then people would just obey.
個到佢祈禱咯，
Then Peter would go back
預備
home,
思想咯，
prepare the message,
個卡猛咯。
and then the third time around,
彼
there's
得
a
個
problem.
來啊，個還嘅咯，
Then the person would report a problem arises.
佢唔是了咯，
Is it that over?
什麼水冇好些咯。
Then people are complaining about the quality of water.
乜對點？後近來嘅水咯，
They say it's that clean water.
後近來啊。
it's
哦，
not-
呢個是 mineral，嗰隻 mineral 嘅水好些咯，
Then they say this water's better.
個還嘅咯，
Then they fight again.
彼得個祈咯。
Then Peter would
你
go.
使乜水冇有見啊？
Then Peter would say it's okay, whatever kind of water
哦，
is
是嘅，
fine.
是嘅，是嘅，
Then people would probably concede.
個到祈咯，
They would go back home.
祈禱嘅時陣，個卡猛咯，
Then the fourth time around,
個
somebody
嚟
would
還
knock.
嘅咯，
Here is another
彼
dispute.
得東未掉咯。
Then Peter couldn't stand it
彼
anymore.
得兩種嚟。
And why don't you come over?
咱啊幫落上帝度管理幫只關係唔應該嘅。
Then finally, Peter said, it would not be right for us to neglect the ministry of the word in order to wait on tables.
我冇時間備辦信息啦啦。
I no longer have the time to prepare my message.
安尼做啊？
So what should we
安尼
do?
嚟，咱選7個人出嚟，
How about this? Let's choose from 7 men among the spirituals.
就將你嚟等工，
They shall be our co-workers.
管理這個膳食嘅大事。
They shall be in charge of these food
聽
matters.
人講 very good，
Then people say, oh, that's a good proposal.
這叫做 proposal。
That's the proposal
呢
that
隻
I'm talking
proposal
about.
嘅裏面，
In this proposal,
有兩樣大事，
there are 2 things that you notice.
教導咱就叫分工合作。
The first one, it teaches us about division of labor.
教會，你嘅處理，你嘅公司，你得個學習什麼叫做分工？
Church, organization, companies, or a family, it's a matter of division of labor.
講你嘅處理。
Let's talk about your family.
等你見到衰慳嘅時陣，
When your kids are still small,
你慢慢分工；
you teach them division of
等你
labor.
見到大人嘅時陣，
As they get older,
就拿半拿最工學嘢。
you will probably assign more works
你唔
for
得
them.
嫁佢一個人去追，
Never shoulder everything alone.
你追唔嚟。
You won't be able to hack it.
教會咪是安尼，
Same thing with the church.
乜想分工合作，
The church needs people who would willing to do
So,
division of labor. First thing,
每一個同工學習將工作分出去。
first, co-workers must learn division of labor.
無論你嘅恩賜有多大，
However great your talents are,
你嘅才幹有多好，
no matter how gifted you are,
請問
may I
你
ask,
一個人有通追落罪，
how much can you do as a person?
有通夠追落行，
How much can you do as an
有通追
individual?
到鬼你。
How far can you get?
我40過去是你嘅時陣，
When I was 45,
我及教會長職講一句話。
I told the church council,
世界冇一個永遠嘅主理牧師，
there's not a single senior pastor who will stay there
世
forever.
界也冇一個梅斯嘅牧師，
There's not a single immortal senior pastor.
總有一日我係死去，
There will definitely be one day that I will pass on.
總有一日我係離開 CBCB。
I will definitely leave CBCP.
那時候訓練真在當工起嚟，
So we need to train so many co-workers to take the place.
教會應該將工作搬出去。
The church, they need co-workers. They must learn division of labor.
但是我知啊，
But I also know
我哋菲律賓上已經22年咯。
I've served the Philippine churches for
我
22
知
years,
啊，我知啊，
and I know it very well.
一個人追工真簡單，
It's easy to work when you're alone.
真方便，
It's very convenient.
及正人撒家追真麻煩。
But it's a terrible thing to work with a group of people.
會啊，
Isn't that true?
你講咪？
Take a look.
我拿將這工作交學晒人，
When I distribute the work to 3 persons,
我講 Alex、Eric、Chris，你晒人去追這樣代志，
I would tell these 3 people to do the work.
你知一步？這晒人開會就麻煩咯。
And just arranging for a meeting is already a difficult task.
Alex 靠 Eric，
Then probably Alex would call Eric.
Eric 啊，咱嚟開會咯。
Then they say, why don't we have a meeting?
牧師講喺度開會咯，
Then the pastor said, we need to have a meeting.
咱拜三開會，
How about Wednesday?
啊無法，
Then the person said, no,
跟住無法
Wednesday.
啦。啊，得是你咯
It's a birthday of that.
，Eric，先叫上帝國及上帝義啊
Then you probably tell Eric, seek the kingdom of
，God
God first.
first，God first，
God first before anything else.
無法咯，anniversary 咯，
Then the person said, no, I can't. It's our anniversary.
是嘅，拜過有法啦，
So which day can you make it?
拜過，是嘅，拜過。
Then they say Friday. They agreed on Friday.
Chris 啊 Chris，
So they called up Chris.
咱拜個聚會啊，
Friday's our meeting.
冇啊，
Then the person said,
Okay,
Chris said
why?
no. Why?
啊簽約，
Because they have to sign an
簽什麼約
agreement.
啊？
What agreement?
啊，1千萬嘅約，哦，1千萬真多條。
It costs 10 million.
啊，你什麼做法啊？
When
你
can-
拜拜啥？哦，是嘅，拜啥拜啥。
Then the person said, how about next Wednesday? Then fine.
Eric 啊 Eric，Chris
誒
冇法咯，Chris 冇法。
Alex would call Eric and
Bye-bye,
said, that
Salo.
yeah, next Wednesday's fine.
啊，呢是冇法，跟啊，啊去香港哦，啊 free trip 哦，啊我哋有 ticket 都冇法咯啊，啊你拜幾號啊？誒你拜六，我拜六哦，是嘅拜六，你冇法啊？拜六啊？
It's in short, it's difficult to
Oh.
arrive at a common date for the meeting.
我難見啊你。你真係佢一個 meeting 啦啊，一個 meeting 啦啊，
That's just one meeting.
卡拿住電話啊！
And then you have to make so many calls.
但是我問你這個問題，
But may I ask you,
嗱一個人去追
but if one person does it,
追鑼鼓，
how long will it take for the person to work?
追鑼鼓，
How long?
追 CD 都冇法啊，夠 C 都冇法追
Even
起
till
嚟。
death, you won't be able to accomplish everything.
教會啊，教會啊！我仔一開始真麻煩，我仔啊，我自己仔啊，
I know initially it's going to be difficult.
我這個人是創大事真堅嘅人啊，
I am a fast worker.
我嗱介創大事啊，
If I do something myself,
我是真扎堅啊，
it will be probably very efficient.
但是我都學習將工作半路我等緊去
But
追。
I must gradually learn
有時
division
我
of
就
labor.
等伊，你就係講叫做等伊啊，patiently 嘅等伊啊。
Then I have to patiently wait for his co-workers.
但是我仔啊，
But I know
總有一日我冇地食，
in the long run, in the future, when I'm no longer around,
我現在冇可能要起嚟，
if I don't train this group of people,
將來啥俾佢追，
who will take over from me?
叫做幫襯人，
May God help us.
學習將工作搬出去。
We must learn division of labor.
但是
However,
咱家五人發出要求，
co-workers must dare to speak up regarding their needs.
工作需要搬出去，
Division of labor is a must.
但是搬落什麼人？
But who do you divide it to, give it to?
好名聲嘅人，
These people with good
有
reputation,
智慧嘅人，
these people who are
有
wise,
聖靈充滿嘅人，
these people who are filled with the Spirit.
這個什麼？
How do I call that?
這個要求 requirement。
This is the requirement.
你喺要求嚟追，人嚟追工，
If you want to require somebody to work,
你咪追隨便。
you just don't get anybody.
哦，咱現在教會開明一個工，開明一個當工嚟追刀沙工，
Then you just don't make an open call. We need a co-worker in this church.
啥要追啊？
So who among you would be willing?
千差人嚟追，千差人嚟追。
And maybe any one of you, why don't you just
我跟你
volunteer?
講哦，你嚟講千差人就追，
If you think anybody can do it,
千差人就嚟，
this anybody can just be anybody.
這個就未嚟，這個狗啊！你講千差，我都唔是千差人啊！我就算問梅基，啊叫叫你買一機就千差，你嘅千差嚟追。
So if you ask for anybody, that the person who fits the qualification of anybody, he will just show up.
你嚟參師班，
If you ask, about the
參師班，
attend the choir, to be a
就
choir
講
member.
out of tune 啊，唔行嚟，怪到嘅。
If you don't sing in tune, then you don't
你
show
嗱
up.
講有心就係追嚟參加師班，啥講嘅啊？
Then the person who said, those people who are sincere and willing, why don't you come and join the choir?
你頂個超人就貴嘅，啥不聽？
If you sing like hell, who would
呢
want
度
to listen to
家五人發出要求，
you? You should dare to demand from the
你
people.
記得，你記得。
You must
你講
remember.
千差就係追，千差人就嚟。
If you say anybody can join, then the person can really be anybody.
No 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 no，
Don't
唔
just
是
be
千
anybody.
差人係追嚟，
You just can't be anybody.
我嗌嗰個人嚟，
I want certain kinds of people to be here.
呢個人就嚟。
Then this kind of people will be here.
我哋教會19年咯，
I've been in the church for 19 years.
第19年我已經將教會標準慢慢提起嚟。
I have gradually raised the bar of the church.
你俾追 CBCP member，
If you want to be a CBCP member,
你就參加101
you must join class 101.
，faithfully attend the church services。
Then you must faithfully attend the church service.